This Coldwell Banker Country Properties property video is presented by Angela Miller. Cute little cottage just waiting for someone to make it their own. Open floor plan with a spacious kitchen and breakfast room or sunporch. Bathroom has a jetted tub and separate shower. Carport has been enclosed for a third bedroom but could easily be turned back into car storage. Living area square feet does not include the enclosed garage area, but there is a window unit in there. Covered back porch for relaxing. Would also make a great investment property. For more information, review the details below or contact Angela Miller at 601-798-7942.